Hi all, Greg from Munson Ski and Marine here. We are starting to get boats out of storage and getting them ready and prepped for the upcoming season. We know the snow is still falling, but we thought it'd be a good idea to shoot a quick video, go over some stuff. If you're not going to be bringing your boat back to us and having us summarize it and get it ready for the season, a couple quick tips that you can do yourself to ensure you're going to have a happy and fun boating season. On the boat itself, first thing, make sure when you're hooking up your battery, check your battery connections. Make sure they are tight, making sure the battery cable ends are not corroded and are secure when you attach them. We get a lot of phone calls in the springtime about intermittent running issues, loss of power, and a lot of these are attributed to battery cable ends not being installed properly. Second thing, check fluids in your engine, also in your lower unit or of your stern drive or your outboard. Go through your engine, checking hose clamps, making sure nothing loosened up over the winter months. Go through all your safety equipment on the boat, your anchor light, your nav light, making sure your horn works, making sure your fire extinguisher is not expired and your fire extinguisher is charged and ready to go. All of these things, if you get a safety inspection, they will check. After you've gone through your boat and everything is working on it, don't forget about your trailer. You want to check your light connector on your trailer. Make sure there's no corrosion, making sure it's no frayed wires, making sure your lights are all in working proper order. They're not flickering as you're going down the road. Move on to the trailer tires, making sure they're inflated to the proper PSI, checking the outside of the tires for any kind of dry rot, making sure they're in a condition where they're going to be able to go down the road.